Okay, now we will make the installation for this DBL machine. So the first step is using this is the holder. And this is the handle business. Put here. Handle and connect. Yeah. So we hear the subs and then we connect the handle. And this is the first step. And second step, and then we add water. So this is water hole, overflow hole, and the water output hole. So the add water is take off the cover from the overflow. Overflow, take off the cover, okay? And use the funnel to connect to the water hole. And then just add clean water. We add water until there is a water coming out from the overflow. And then we start. So now we add water. Okay, so add water when the water coming out from the overflow, and then we can stop. So now we keep adding because it needs more water. Okay, that's it. We can stop it. And then we remove the funnel. Use the cover back, overflow. Then finish. Then you can turn on the machine to use it.